Okay, so we've been using a callback method here in our event data service, but there's actually a better way to do this. You may not have noticed, but we're actually using promises here where we're using the success and error methods. Since the HTTP call returns a promise, we don't really need to pass in a callback method. So I'm going to copy this error function so we can reuse that in a second. Then let's stop passing in this callback function, and we're just going to return the result of this HTTP call. And we won't need the log service in here anymore. And then over here in the controller, we can just call the success and error methods on the result of the getEvent call, which is now returning the promise. And I'll just paste in the error function I copied from the event data service. And we'll need the log service here. So if we go take a look now, you can see this is working the same, but we aren't passing around a callback function, which is a little better. And if the HTTP call fails, we'll see the error logged. Let's just cause that by renaming our one.json file. And then if we refresh, you can see we're getting our error and we're logging the information here, which is what we were doing in the error function here on the promise. Let's go back and fix that file before we forget. Now if we refresh, it's working again. So that's how you use the HTTP service promises.